Hi lovely people. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a slick bun. So we're going to start off by moisturizing our hair. And then we're going to grab a comb or brush and detangle your hair. Make sure that you detangle your hair properly. Grab your comb and section your hair into 2 sections. Create a middle part. Once you have created your middle part, you want to detangle your hair with a comb. Grab a ribbon and section the back of your hair into 2 sections. These partings do not have to be perfect, just make sure that it is in 2 sections on each side of your head. Grab the 2 sections that you made at the back of your head and tie it up in a bun. Grab the gel of your choice and make sure you place it on the front section of your hair. Ensure that your hair is flat as possible. You can go on with a brush to ensure that it is flat. Continue brushing your hair down. Until you get it as flat as possible. And then you're gonna take a hair tie and tie your hair. After you have tied your hair, continue to brush your hair down. Grab a bobby pin. You can grab as many as you want for your hair. Depending on which section is standing up more, you can use more bobby pins because we do not want the hair to stand up. Grab hair from the ponytail at the back and make it into a bun. Grab a toothbrush and the gel of your choice. Today I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel. This gel helps your hair to stay down for the whole day and brush down your edges. If you got sideburns like me, you can also brush it down. Grab your hair extension and place it on top of the bun that you've made. You can comb out the hair extension just to give it a bit more volume. This next step is optional. I'm going to be placing these beaded clips on my hair for more decoration and to make it look much nicer. And there you have it, a sleek bun. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.